Alright guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani's Love. Today I'm going to be attempting an editorial look on someone else. I've done it before myself, and I just kind of want to explore makeup and see, where it goes. I love doing makeup, but I've never actually gotten really into doing editorial, so just sit back and observe and let me know how you guys like the look. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you like this look, make sure you hit that like button. And I hope you already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, tap the notification bell so you can know whenever I drop videos. And my videos range from everything: hair, makeup, beauty. So you never know what I'll be coming up with next. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy this. The focus of this look is going to be her eyes and eyebrows because she has very thick eyebrows, and a lot of editorial looks I looked at had like the bushy eyebrow look. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on, is her eyes and her eyebrows. I am going to be doing a full face of makeup, but that'll be my concentration. And she is a model. She's a new beginner and she's just getting herself into the game. So you will also be seeing her work with me more in the future. So for now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy. So everything I'm pretty much using today is from Juvia's Place. The foundation is from Juvia's Place. The palette I'm using is from Juvia's Place. I believe it's the Saharan too. Yeah, I'm pretty much using full Juvia's Place for her. I did use Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel to get her brows in order, to kind of keep them stiff. And I also use a little bit of hair gel because like her eyebrows are really curly. I know I said that her eyes were like the focal point, but I just feel like I spent like too much time on her eyes. Like I just spent forever on her eyes. It was just trying to get it blended out and just trying to get it to be actually like, what would you call it, like dramatic. I wanted it to be really like dramatic and pop in the pictures. But yeah, now I'm getting into this beat again. Like I said, I'm using Juvia's Place foundation. For the concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal, one of my faves. For the setting powder, I believe I used the setting powder from Ofra. I also used the dark and the translucent powders for her. And for the setting spray, I use the Morphe Luminous Dewy Setting Spray, which I love and smells so good. And that was pretty much it. And for lips, I think we just went with the basic nude lip because she has very nice color lips. So I didn't want to really take away from that too much. And we kind of did like a monochromatic look. So yeah. Can't you just see this? Like she needs to be on Vogue, or like, come on, like we call it fashion magazines. Y'all need me. Yes, this pose right here, my fave. So for this year, 2021, I'm going to be booking a lot of my own photo shoots and work with models on my own. I've done projects with other people, but just for my consistency and my own mental sanity, I'm going to be planning my own things. And here is the final look. Come on, y'all. I know y'all see that in a magazine. This is magazine editorial. Like, really, sis? Did I slay? Come on, y'all know I slayed. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. She need to be modeling for Gucci. I'm sorry, I just can't get over it. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you follow me on IG and Facebook at Leilani's.love. And until next time, peace and love.